how to change font style on Android. It's a simple way to customize your Android. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now, tap Display. Next, tap Font Size and Style. Here, tap Font Style. You'll now see the fonts already installed on your phone. Simply tap on any font to preview it, and it will be applied automatically. If you want more font options, tap Download Fonts. This will open the Galaxy Store, where you can browse and download additional fonts. Some fonts are free, while others may require a purchase. Once you've downloaded a font, go back and then select your new font to apply it. You can also adjust the font size and turn bold font on or off from the same screen if you want the text to be larger or easier to read. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font style on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips and Android tutorials.